This is a video on how to make groups so that students can turn in group work, and where you grade it once and the grades go to all students in the group. So the first thing we do is we need to go to people. Okay, now there's a group called project groups, but there's no way to add to it, right? I can add a group name, right, and kind of do it one at a time, but we need to do like 22 groups. So really you kind of have to delete that group that comes up, right? Then add a group. You can give it the same name, project groups. You allow them to self-sign up. Everybody's in the same class, so this doesn't come up. And we want to create, because 22 groups, because I believe there's 65 people in this class, and you want about 3 people per group, right? Limit them to 3, and then you just save. All right. And later on, you email them to organize and to self-sign up into these groups. That being done, now you have to go back to the group assignments. All right. And everything's individual right up until homework 32, which is a draft of the project. Right. So let's edit this assignment. And to double check, file uploads PDFs, enable Turnitin. It's a group assignment, and now you select project groups. When I copy the courses over from each one, it doesn't do this automatically. You have to kind of go through each assignment. Okay, and then of course the other group one is the project itself. So I just click here, edit. Okay. Now, sometimes the students, they can make their own group within Canvas, like a study group or something like that. That doesn't count. They've got to sign up here in project groups, right? And what can happen too is when there's grading, there's so here, if I go to SpeedGrader, right? Notice how the names are all there. They should be, if you see a name, then they're not in a group and you shouldn't grade it. It should say, based on the groups we created, people. We created project group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So those should be the names that you see here, right? And if you see a name, it won't work. And yeah, if you forget to do this and students have turned in work, it can be a bit difficult. You kind of have to delete and re-add the assignment. You can't change the group settings after somebody submits. Um, anyway, so this was for section 4 for fall 21. I'll set up the other ones for this semester, but then going forward, you all can do it yourself. That's it.